Hello, it's Keely from Hooking Love, the Crochet Queen. This is part of a series of videos about how to crochet, and this one will be regarding how to make a slip knot. My way to do it, but how to make a slip knot is what we're going to talk about. Let's take a look now at completing a slip knot. So this is the slip knot on the hook. There are, I can't think of the amount of times I've had a look at how to do a slip knot and the different ways that people do it. So again, I'm going to show you the way that I do it. I'm going to show you how I do it with either my fingers or by using the hook, which sounds far more complicated than it actually is. So when I'm making a slip knot, I wind the yarn around my finger and then I wind it again, but so it crosses over. And then what I'm doing is I am making that first one go over the back one and pulling the back one through. And that then gives me a slip knot, which is movable, which is exactly what you want. Easy to pull apart. So let's do that one again. So over and across, and front one goes behind, and the behind one is the one that you pull through to make a slip knot. Okay, I'll do that one more time. I'll do that a little bit more slowly. So crossed it over, I'm pulling the front part over the back, taking hold of that and then pulling that through to give me my slip knot, and then that will fit on my hook and it will reduce down in size to where I need it to be. Okay, so that's how I would do it with my finger. How I do it with my hook, which is actually the way I would tend to do it, is exactly the same, but I reach under the first one and grab the second one. So I'll do that again a bit more slowly. Okay, I reach under the first one and I grab the second one and pull that through. And I'll show you one more time. So again, got two edges on, under the first, grab the second and pull it through, and there I have my slip knot. Then I would prepare then to be able to start to actually use it. I hope that's helped.